Welcome aboard Baby Bus Train! I'm your captain, KiKi! The train is about to start. Let's set off! There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission accomplished. Let's head for the next station. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Hi! Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken on. Lighter. Hammer. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Hammer. Scissors. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the knife. Firecrackers. Thank you.